Hi there. I'm new to this city, and I was wondering if you could help me figure out how to get to the city center.
Of course. I'd be happy to help. Where are you starting from?
I'm staying in the residential area near the outskirts of the city.
All right. There are a few different options to get to the city center. One of the most convenient ways is to take a bus. Let me explain how you can do that. First, you'll need to find the nearest bus stop.
How can I find the nearest bus stop?
You can use a public transportation app on your phone or check the city's official website. They usually provide information about bus routes and stops. Once you find the nearest stop, check the bus schedule to see when the next bus arrives.
That sounds easy enough. What are the different bus routes that go to the city center?
There are a few options depending on which part of the residential area you're in. Let's say you're in the southern part. In that case, you can take bus route 101 or bus route 205. Both of them will take you directly to the city center.
Great! How long does the bus ride usually take?
The travel time depends on the traffic, but on average, it takes about 30 to 45 minutes to reach the city center from the residential area.
That's not too bad. Is there a specific bus ticket I need to buy?
Yes, you'll need to purchase a bus ticket before getting on board. You can buy a single ticket, which is valid for one trip, or you can get a day pass if you plan to use the bus multiple times throughout the day.
Where can I buy the tickets?
You can buy the tickets at the bus stop from the ticket vending machine or from the driver when you board the bus. Just make sure you have the correct change if you're buying from the driver.
Got it. Are there any other modes of transportation I can consider?
Yes, if you prefer a faster option, you can take a taxi or use a ride-sharing service like Uber or Lyft. However, keep in mind that these options can be more expensive compared to the bus.
I see. Taking a bus sounds like a good choice for me. Is there anything else I should know?
Yes, it's always a good idea to have the exact change or a transportation card with sufficient balance when using public transportation. Also, make sure to check the bus schedule and plan your trip accordingly to avoid any long waiting times.
Thank you so much for your help. I feel much more confident now about getting to the city center.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could assist you. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Enjoy your time exploring the city center.
Actually, I have one more question. Is there a specific bus stop I should get off at in the city center?
That depends on where exactly you want to go in the city center. There are several major landmarks in popular areas, each with its own designated bus stop. If you have a specific destination in mind, I can help you figure out the best stop to get off at.
I'm planning to visit the main shopping district and maybe check out some local restaurants.
In that case, you should get off at the City Center Mall bus stop. It's located right in the heart of the shopping district and is surrounded by many restaurants and shops.
Perfect. That's exactly where I want to go. I appreciate your help in navigating the city's public transportation system.
It's my pleasure. Exploring the city by bus is a great way to experience the local culture and get a feel for the different neighborhoods. If you have any more questions during your stay, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a fantastic time in the city center.
Thank you again. I'm excited to start my adventure. Take care.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time in the city center, and if you need any recommendations for places to visit or things to do, feel free to ask. Safe travels.